What's going on, guys? Welcome to Destination D-Row. This is going to be a tutorial and video overview of the My Disney Experience app. Before we begin, let's hit that subscribe button. It is totally free. All right, so let's check out this app. All right, so when you first download the My Disney Experience app, you can simply log in if you already have an existing account, or you can create an account using the app or the desktop browser. So when you first open the app, you're going to go through the initial setup. And basically it's whether you want to turn on your notifications, your location, etc., all the things to get you going. As you can see, this is what the home page looks like of your app. So once you're logged in, you'll be able to see your name. If you click on the icon, you can actually change your character if that's something you want to do. So you can see I have Mickey Mouse there. So one of the newer features of the My Disney Experience app is the Disney Genie service. So the Disney Genie service you see here is basically software to help you plan your trip. In addition, this is where you're going to find access to Disney Genie Service Plus, which is the upcharges to be able to go on certain rides without waiting in the standby lines. Quick note, in order to summon the Disney Genie and create a customized plan, you need to have Disney tickets linked to the app. So if you're unsure where to start, Disney Genie service actually offers like a tip board, and it basically tells you in real time what it recommends you to do. And generally it's going to go over the best value in terms of rides or restaurants available, and it basically gives you a little snapshot of the wait times, and it's basically trying to gear you to a certain part of the park. So below the Disney Genie Service Plus is basically COVID protocols and all the information you need to know. So the third feature down is the park hours and show times lists. So as you can see here, there's the 4 different theme parks, and it has what the current hours are for today. If we want to see what show times or experiences are going on at the Magic Kingdom, we can click that, and it gives us all the information we need regarding experiences, shows, what rides or things are closed for refurbishment. You also have a calendar here in which you can put the dates that you're visiting the theme parks so that you can plan accordingly. If you're also curious about what's closed, you can scroll to the bottom. Now the rest is basically Disney promotions. So all different things. We have information on the 50th anniversary here. We have PhotoPass information, etc. The new rides, new features, anything that Disney's trying to promote may pop up next. All right, now we're going to check out the map icon. So the map feature is going to come in very handy when you're actually inside the park. So the maps actually has all different category options you can choose from to figure out where things are in a particular park. Everything from the real-time wait times, different attractions, characters, dining, entertainment, etc. So you click on particular things and it will show up on the map, and it's pretty cool. It's interactive. You can kind of slide everything with your fingers. You can zoom in and you can zoom out. You can also go to other theme parks. There's also a filter in the top left, so if I want to be in Epcot, I can apply the filter and it will bring me there, or I can kind of zoom out and scroll. What's pretty cool about the interactive map is you can click on all the different icons and you can click on the experiences and get more information that way as well. So definitely something fun to play around with, and again, this is going to be something you use especially for the wait times when you're actually inside the parks. So here's a couple new features on the My Disney Experience app. When you click on the icon, you're going to notice it says Get Directions. You can actually plug in where you are and it will tell you how to get to that particular point in the park. Now, this is probably for people who are coming to these parks for the first time, because most people who come often kind of know where these rides and attractions are. But just in case, it does have a new directions, kind of like a MapQuest kind of feature that you can access. Another new feature when you click on different rides and attractions is the forecasted wait times. It basically takes trends and averages and gives you ballparks as to what you can expect for the standby lines. It also tells you whether or not the ride or attraction is a part of the lightning lane. It also has your other information, the age restrictions, or any other pertinent information you might need. All right, moving left to right on the bottom menu, we're going to go to the plus symbol. So the plus symbol is a shortcut to different options within the app. This includes dining availability, mobile food ordering options, scan and shop features, memory makers, the option to purchase tickets, make reservations, or go back to the Genie services. So one of the most likely things you're going to do with the plus symbol is you're going to check for dining availability. As it stands right now, dining reservations are able to be booked 60 days out. So you plug in the number of guests, pick a date, breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc., or a particular time. So let's start off with breakfast and see what's available. And you scroll to the bottom here and it tells you all the different restaurant options that are available. Now, if you don't see what you like, you can also try particular hours, and sometimes different restaurants come up. So play around with that to try to find dining, but again, this can only be done 60 days out. Another cool feature with the plus symbol is the mobile ordering app. Basically what you do is you find an available window for a particular restaurant, you click the available window, order your food, pay for it, then you show up within the arrival window and you hit I'm here, prepare my food, and you wait for it to be called. Again, this is something you're probably going to want to do for lunch or a snack. So another key feature of the My Disney Experience app is the theme park reservation system. So the first thing you got to do is check availability. So as you click theme park reservation availability, it's going to bring you to a separate web browser. Simply go to the month that you're planning on going and check the dates. Green means everything's available and you should go back, link your tickets, and book your reservations. If there's gray, no parks are available. If there's yellow, it means some are available. So as you can see, on February the 23rd, none of the parks are available. That means the reservations are completely sold out. If we click on one of the yellow, we have all but Epcot sold out. So before you buy Disney World tickets, make sure that there is availability for your desired dates. Now keep in mind, if you have an annual pass, there is a different availability calendar, so be sure to click the one that's appropriate. So next is the search option, and that's pretty self-explanatory. You can search for particular questions or concerns that you have regarding Disney. So the menu icon has all different shortcuts to everything you need with your My Disney Experience app. This includes the Genie services, your tickets, virtual queues, mobile food ordering. It has your photo pass, your resort reservations, etc. Everything that you need, including your profile and account information. So your account and your profile is where you're going to have all of your tickets. It's going to have Magic Band information, all your personal information, credit cards, etc. So this is where all of your personal profile stuff is going to go. My profile is also where you can add your family and your friends list so that you can coordinate with other people. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time.